Hey, let me show you a quick unboxing of the Marshall Major 5. So first let's take a look on the box. We've got the integrated wireless charging, that's interesting. The 100 plus hours of the wireless playtime, the Spotify tab extension. Of course, it's working with the iPhones, iPads on Android devices. On the box we've got information that there's like no charger inside, and we should actually use the 5-watt charger. Okay. On the back, what we can find: the customizable button, the wireless charging, Bluetooth ready, yeah, we know this. Okay, so let's go inside, let's see how it looks. So I have to cut out these foils at the bottom, and now we'll dive inside. So that's how it looks. There's nothing more right here. The simple package. Okay, how I can take it off? Okay, maybe like this. So this is our headphones. Okay, there's like nice feeling when you touch it, especially right here. There's some kind of the leather, I guess. Really nice. Can't wait to put it on the head. We can adjust this, the left and the right one for sure. We can find something here. It looks probably like the microphone, I guess. At the bottom we can find the USB-C port, the headphone jack, so it looks like that we can connect them with this wired method. There's the power button, probably the customizable M button, and that's all, right? Yeah, let's take a look for the other package, what we can find here. We've got the quick start guide, legal safety, and okay, and there's also the headphone jack right here and the USB-C cable, but it's double USB-C cable. Okay, so yeah, that's all from this. Now let's see if we can actually turn it on. Here we can find this indicator that actually shows us information. Yeah, it's turned on. There we go. Okay, so that was pretty much for this unboxing. And if you are looking for some other videos about this device, you will definitely find them on my channel, like some of the best features, some review after a few days of the using, and some basic tutorials like how to reset, how to connect, and stuff like this. So that's all for this video. Right now, please subscribe to my channel.